Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to enable draw arrow up gesture to start an app in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you'll have to do is select the gestures in motion. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And now you can see the screen of gesture switch button. And okay guys, you'll have to do is enable the switch button. And okay guys, here you can see below the add gestures. Okay, you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, here you can see the draw arrow up gestures. And okay, you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, now here you can select the start an app. Okay, click this. And okay guys, now you can select the application you want to start if the draw arrow up gesture is enabled. And okay guys, I select one of my application and I choose Chrome. And okay guys, automatically save the application to draw arrow up gestures. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the draw arrow up gesture to start an app in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now we have to draw arrow up on screen. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the draw arrow up gesture to start an app in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.